They sold $40,000 worth of products in just 2 hours. And guess what? You could do it too. Feeling stuck with traditional e commerce methods? Your ads ain't converting, your website feels like a ghost town, and your competitors are thriving while your sales barely trickle in. Sound familiar? The truth is, old school selling tactics aren't enough anymore. Buyers want connection, authenticity, and excitement. And that's where live social shopping changes the game. Live social shopping is flipping the script on e commerce, letting you connect with your audience, showcase your products in real time, and create a sense of urgency that makes people hit buy now faster than ever. And the best part, you don't need a massive following or expensive equipment to get started. Here's an example. Gary Vaynerchuk's team pulled in $40,000 in just a single live stream selling t shirts. But it's not just for big names. Everyday sellers are using platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook to turn casual viewers into loyal customers. And you can do it too. All it takes is the right approach. Here are 3 actionable secrets. Number 1, create exclusive offers. People love feeling like they're part of something. Use your live stream to drop limited time deals or exclusive products that viewers can only buy during the session. It sparks FOMO, and trust me, FOMO sells. 2, engage authentically. Answer questions, share personal stories, and show real excitement about your products. When people feel connected to you, they're way more likely to trust your brand and make a purchase. 3, start small and test. You don't need fancy lighting or a giant audience to begin. Just pick a few products, go live for 10 minutes, and see what works. Experiment with your energy, your setup, and even how you pitch. Each session is a chance to refine your formula. So, what's stopping you? Live social shopping is your chance to transform your e commerce business and build deeper connections with your customers. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your sales skyrocket. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips like these. Oh, and let me know in the comments which product would you go live with first. Talk soon.